बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम लैब असिस्टेंट पास पेपर हेल्ड ऑन जो 25/12/2022 को हुआ था इसके एमसीक्यूज को डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आइए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, एंजाइम्स आर ऑर्गेनिक कैटलिस्ट, दे आर मेनली डैश इन नेचर। करेक्ट आंसर ए, प्रोटीन्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 27, व्हेन अ सेल नीड्स एनर्जी द टर्मिनल phosphate bound of ATP is broken to release dash energy. Correct answer C, 7.3. Question number 28, under resting condition the rate of breathing is dash time per minute. Correct answer B, 15 to 20. Question number 29, in pre-diabetes the blood glucose level at 8 to 10 hours fast will be dash mg 100 ml. Correct answer D, from 100 to 125. Question number 30, in the central nervous system myelinated neurons form the dash matter. Correct answer D, white. Question number 31, the straight line passing through the pole P and the center of curvature C of mirror is called dash of that mirror. Correct answer D, principal X. Question number 32, if the radius of curvature of concave mirror is 60 cm, what is its focal length dash? Correct answer A, 30 cm. Question number 33, in electrolysis the electric current is produced due to the flow of dash. Correct answer B, negative charge. Question number 34, four resistors of 15 ohm are connected in series across a 30 volt battery. What current flow in the circuit dash? Correct answer A, 0.2 ampere. Question number 35, Lenz's law is an example of principle of conservation of dash. Correct answer B, energy. Question number 36, United Nations University is situated in dash. Correct answer D, Tokyo, Japan. Question number 37, Sky News famous news channel of which country dash? Correct answer D, United Kingdom. Question number 38, which country has the most post office dash? Correct answer D, India. Question number 39, the Simon Commission was welcomed with dash. Correct answer D, flags. Question number 40, where was Sir Syed Ahmad Khan born dash? Correct answer D, Delhi. Question number 41, Khilafat Committee and the Congress participated in the election under the dash. Correct answer A, Act of 1919. Question number 42, who was the opponent of Ayub Khan in the presidential election of 1965 dash? Correct answer B, Miss Fatma Jinnah. Question number 43, national fish of Pakistan is dash. Correct answer A, Mashir. Question number 44, Quaid-e-Azam visited dash times to Islamic College Peshawar. Correct answer B, 3. Question number 45, hydrogen chloride HCl boils at dash. Correct answer D, 85 centigrade. Question number 46, the pressure exerted by the vapors of the liquid when the rate of evaporation becomes equal to rate of condensation is called vapor pressure. Vapor pressure depends upon which of the following factors dash? Correct answer B, intermolecular force only. Question number 47, fog and humidity in air is the example of which one of the following types of solution dash? Correct answer D, gas in gas. Question number 48, when oxygen is used as oxidizing agent at high temperature and pressure by dissolving it is wastewater, the process is known as dash. Correct answer B, wet oxidation. Question number 49, the name platinum is derived from platina which means title silver and is a dash language word. Correct answer C. Spanish. Question number 50. A man whose mass is 75 kg walk up a flight of 20 12 steps each 20 cm high in a 5 seconds. Find the power he develops in what dash. Correct answer A. 360 watts. Thanks for subscribing my YouTube channel Exams with Munawwar.